Yeah.
Jump. Jump.
That'll be good.
Want jump? Want jump?
Oops.
Oops.
Hey, how come? Mom,
Go to bed.
Mom, I never get to finish my homework.
Go to bed.
How come her
Because you don't do your homework. Go to bed.
I want to do my homework.
Liar.
Yes, I do. I want to do my math one.
This number's gonna be on your butt
Go to bed.
with the bear face on it.
Oh, you do your homework a long time ago. Shopping.
No. Stand up. Up.
Soggy butt. Soggy diaper, that's why. He's the entertainment.
He's fucking bothering up. He's doing that. He's like, the other way now. You're being silly. Yeah, you are being silly.
What's that?
Hey,
Those
Mom!
wobbly legs.
Mom!
Get to bed.
But
No,
he's
I don't want to read it tonight. That's
But
too
he's
sad.
getting stronger.
Mhm.
He's getting stronger. Look.
Let's remember. 2 more page.
I don't want to read it tonight.
1 page.
No, I don't want to read it tonight.
What do you want to read then? Have fun in her book.
Okay, Shelby, this is waiting for you. It's not now.
Mom, how about this one?
You read it.
Okay.
You read it to us. You gotta move all that stuff. Your cousin's coming over. Who's the
The pirate, the